Hey, so if you want to use Google Slides offline in 2026, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. So you can create, edit, and present slides even without an internet connection. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, open the presentation you want to use offline or create a new one. To enable offline mode, go to Google Drive. Click the gear icon for settings, then select offline. Turn on Create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files offline. This will sync your files so you can access them without internet. Next, make sure the slides you need are fully loaded and synced. Only files synced to offline mode can be edited without connection. You can check this by looking for the checkmark icon next to the file in Drive. Once offline mode is enabled, you can open Google Slides in your browser or the mobile app. All synced files will be accessible, and you can edit text, images, layouts, and even add new slides as usual. Any changes you make offline will be saved locally. Once you reconnect to the internet, Google Slides automatically syncs your edits back to Drive, so your work is updated everywhere. You can also present slides offline. Just open the file in offline mode and click Present. All animations, transitions, and embedded media will work as usual, making it perfect for classrooms, meetings, or client presentations where Wi-Fi is unreliable. If you want to work on multiple devices, enable offline mode on each device separately. Remember, syncing may take a few minutes depending on file size. And that's basically it. By enabling offline mode in Google Drive, syncing your files, and editing offline, you can use Google Slides anytime, anywhere, without worrying about internet access. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.